This is the DRT52. It's a brand new 1/4 inch cordless trimmer, part of the Makita's 18 volt lithium ion range, so it's compatible with all of their 18 volt lithium ion batteries. A few years ago we had the DRT50 from Makita, which has been basically one of their most popular tools over the last few years on the 18 volt platform. But this isn't necessarily an upgrade to the DRT50, but it's a brilliant little gap in the market that Makita have spotted. So for a few quid less, what they've done is they've taken away some of the features and functionality from the DRT50, but giving you a real simple, Billy Basic trimmer that's really good for all the handheld jobs, but of course means that you don't have to pay the premium for things you're never going to use. So unlike the DRT50, this isn't compatible with all the different plunge bases and offset bases and things like that that the DRT50 was. This has got a very simple, basic Perspex squared off bottom that allows you to do your handheld cutting work and give really good visibility on what it is you're cutting and where you're about to cut as well. We also don't have a variable speed on this. This is set at 30,000 RPM. As soon as you turn it on, it goes up to 30,000 RPM and there it will stay. There's no way to change that. We have of course got a depth adjuster, which you just do here on the front by twisting these nozzles. That will sort out your depth, but otherwise this is as basic a trimmer as you can possibly get. Now that might sound like a bad thing, but if really what you're doing is a load of handheld trimmer work day in, day out, so maybe doing handheld locks, handheld hinges, maybe even engraving, using this for engraving, then this is all you're ever going to need, and it's a brilliant tool that does it. Small, lightweight, easy to grip, easy to use. We've got the anti-restart feature, so once you've been using this and you finish using it for over 5 seconds, it won't let you turn it back on again. You have to unlock it first before you then turn it back on again. So that is the DRT52 18 volt cordless handheld trimmer from Makita, and of course that's going to be available at its.co.uk, your home of all things Makita.